Just 2 years later, and here they are. The Barbie the Movie set. Barbie and Ken with a guitar by the campfire, a romantic scene from the movie. Let's take a closer look. Barbie was designed with Margot Robbie's face in mind. Do you think she looks like her? And this hair in the front is a very interesting choice. But okay, she's wearing a cute white top with ruffle sleeves, denim shorts with little pockets. They're actually functional, so her hand fits inside. She's wearing white boots, and they're actually cute. The set also comes with this pink stand and Barbie's pink phone. Oh, Ken is already here. Okay. Ryan Gosling, right? His hair is loaded with product. There's also a protective plastic layer under his outfit. He has a watch on his wrist and pink wristbands. He's wearing a black outfit made from thick fabric and white tall boots. Okay, let me help you. Ken also has his own stand. For this scene, we're going to need a beach. I'm using a sheet of thin cardboard and scented sand. Mine is green. Regular sand would work better, of course, but this is all I have right now, so let's just paint it and spread it out in a thin, even layer on the cardboard. I also have a little bit of decorative sand with tiny shells. I'm sprinkling it on top. I cut the edge in a soft, wavy line. The set also comes with a campfire. It's empty inside, so I'm adding tiny lights. And now it looks so cozy and atmospheric. Let me know in the comments what you think about this set. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a like. Bye-bye!